Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ping pong paddles that are available on the market for their true quality.
My personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Feed the Fit Ping Pong Paddle Set. If you are looking for a premium quality ping pong paddle, then this is the one for you. It is having a high-quality wooden material and will last for a long time. The paddle has sponge layers and will add spin and speed to the ball. This is also lightweight and will allow you to enjoy your game with skills and techniques. The rubber and wood paddle will allow you to control and spin the ball. This is perfect for looping and blocking, and you will also master how to attack and defend conveniently. Besides, it is very convenient to hold and will give you the perfect grip. This comes in 2 different colors, and you will also be getting 12 fun balls. You can play with these at any time and anywhere you want without worrying about durability. Additionally, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee on this product. It has been crafted delicately and is a good investment for you if you really enjoy playing table tennis. This has highly positive reviews and is very easy to handle and win every match. Moving on at number 4, we have the Killer Spin JET 200 Ping Pong Paddle. This is a very durable ping pong paddle that has jet basic rubber. This is very durable and ideal for a basic level of play. With the 5-layer wood design, this paddle is perfect for collecting scores. You will get tremendous control as the blade is in combination with the rubber. Besides, the side of the racket is protected flexible PVC side tape. This will allow you great control as it has got maximum spins and speed. The product has got extremely positive reviews and came with a warranty of 30 days. The lightweight paddle will allow you to perform in style. It is definitely one of the best ping pong paddles to opt for. Besides, this will sharpen your skills in table tennis and is perfect for beginners. In no time, it will make you a fierce competitor and is also a perfect item to gift someone. It comes in many different colors and the appearance is very eye-catching. It is manufactured by a very reputed company and is perfect for competition level of play. This comes in a gift box and is one of the best-selling paddles in the world. The premium wood-made paddle will hone your skills. At number 3, we have the Table Tennis Ping Pong Set. This is one of the best-selling ping pong paddles on the list, and it comes with 4 premium rackets and 6 balls. The soft sponge rubber of the bats is of premium quality, which helps a player to play different shots perfectly. Moreover, it is one of the highly durable paddles whose performance will stay consistent. In fact, it has the thickness sponge layer of 1.5 millimeters, and the inverted rubber design is a necessity. The 5-ply blades are 5.6 millimeters in thickness, and it is one of the best ping pong paddles for an all-rounder who can play any shot in the book. The grip of the rackets is ergonomic and you can play a long match without any break. Besides, it offers enough flexibility and it is suitable for people with sensitive skin. In fact, it is a perfect racket set for professionals as well as for beginners. They are master the skills and techniques and even enhance them quickly. The balls are also ideal for a professional practice session. At number 2, we have the JP Win Look Ping Pong Paddle Sets. The owner of the brand is a professional table tennis player who ensures that the paddles will be top-notch in its construction. Indeed, the technology is superior, and hence, the paddles offer balanced spin, control, and speed. Along with the paddles, you will get 40mm professional white ball for playing ping pong like a pro. The paddles have IITF approval in terms of size and weight, and the 5-ply pure wood blade can help you hone your skills and techniques with time. Moreover, the flared handle offers a better grip and there are advanced elastic pads with eco-friendly rubber construction. Besides, it comes with a high-bounce sponge layer and there will be no paddle edge wear thanks to high-end edge taping. Furthermore, the product comes with a zipped carrying bag which acts like a perfect organizer. The set of paddles are suitable for people of all ages and skill levels. The company offers a 60-day return policy and 1-year warranty. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coast Athletic Unbreakable Table Tennis Paddles. This is an unbreakable ping pong paddle which comes in a set of 6. It comes in many different colors and will not peel apart or crack. You can use it perfectly in your home as well as on outdoor areas. The surface of the racket is sand textured and comes in a standard size. It is very lightweight, which will allow you to enjoy your game of table tennis. Moreover, this will retain its shape even if you use it for multiple years. This is perfect for camp arcades, school, and also can be used commercially. The paddle comes from a reputed company and is a very solid product. This will add fun when you play and is perfect for your children. This comes in a one-piece design, unlike others which are layered and gets peeled. Furthermore, this will last for a long time and is better than the wooden one. The product has got great reviews from its users, and the texture of the paddle will give a nice bounce to the balls.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.